When you open the Webull app or desktop platform, the first thing you'll see is a dashboard. This shows you portfolio summary, watch list, and current market news. At the bottom or side menu, you have quick access to key sections like markets, trades, and watch list and account. The markets tab lets you explore stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies with live data and charts. The trade section is where you place your orders. You can search for any stock, then choose between market, limit, or stop orders. It's simple to set the number of shares and review before submitting. Your watch list helps you track stocks you're interested in and see real time price changes. In the account tab, you'll find your balances, transaction history, and settings to manage your profile and preferences. Charts in Webull are highly customizable with different time frames, technical indicators, and drawing tools to help analyze stocks. That's a quick overview of the Webull interface to get you started trading with confidence. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and leave questions in the comments below.